total, we had to drill, we don't know exactly, but somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 holes to fix everything on the wall. On the chimney, we've used around 500 PU holes and almost 300 fiberglass volumes. It felt like endless work. Last few weeks we're working day and night, so every day is different. Every day there is many issues and we have to solve it on spot, so it's not boring. The basket goes away from chimney and hit the chimney and go left and right, so you cannot control that, and it's dangerous. And yeah, we had to descend as soon as possible, as soon as wind gets strong. Težave so vedno. Vprašanje sam, v kolikem času jih bomo rešili.
In multi-pitch climbing it's important that there is teamwork for sure.
When we are together at the anchor, we are double checking ourselves.
Pogledaš, če imaš še kakšen komplet, pa mu ga vzameš, ker greš zdaj ti naprej. It's not in their blood, it's not everything automatic. They have to think a little bit more than it would be perfect, but it's completely normal because it's not what they are used to. If you do everything correctly, this is, by my opinion, safer than playing football on an open field. But if you do something wrong, like it can lead to a disaster. Sad je plav dol padel.
Oh my god, what is this? Okay, to se ne sme. Yeah, on the very top, the reverse almost fell down. So because I was clumsy a little bit. With one hand I was pulling the rope and with the other hand I was already putting the reverse in the anchor.
I think it's the most important part when you trust your partner. You have to trust that he will do everything right, that he will do everything correctly.
Yeah, I think if you don't rush things on the chimney, everything's gonna be fine, so I'm not too worried about it.
What we have here is 360 meters of the same angle, so the angle on the wall doesn't change, it's just slightly slabby all the time, almost vertical. So we really try to be playful with the styles of setting and with the hold, so you're not feeling you're climbing the same thing for 360 meters. Each pitch has different type of holds, different color, so it turns out that all the routes will be different. This is our goal. We have the same angle for 360 meters and we really want to challenge ourselves as route setters to make an interesting climb here. It just goes a little bit like in waves, a little bit up and down in terms of difficulty, and we want to put as many styles in it as possible. So yeah, it's an ultimate route here and it should be everything in it.